he's blue. Now I'm going to get some. Now this mic comes off. Mine comes off.
It does come off. Maggie, who are you feeding?
I'm feeding the elephant.
Where did you get that elephant?
I get from Daffy, okay?
Okay.
He's opened his mouth. Look, he's opened his mouth.
Why is he opening his mouth?
He's opened his mouth so I give him a bite.
So you can give him a bite?
Yeah.
Where did you get the elephant? Where did we go last night?
We go to the...
Do you remember what it's called?
Yeah.
The circus.
The circus we got. The circus after the day. I got some, then I took a
What are those called? What are those?
wings.
Wings? No, you remember. What are they called?
Cactus.
Tuskses. Where's his trunk?
Right here.
There's his trunk.
I'm going to give him a bite so he opens his mouth so I can give him a bite.
Does he like it?
Yeah.
What's he sitting in? What's the elephant sitting in?
In a high chair.
Yeah.
You okay, Mommy?
I'll sit there in just a minute.
Okay, Mom. I will sit there and be good to Mom.
Okay.
I will scoot it up so I can sit this. I will scoot it up.
You're going to scoot it up?
Yeah, I will put my feet on here on tray.
Oh, okay. Now what you going to do?
I'm going to put him over here. Okay. I'm going to put him over here. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to put him over here in the bed so I can put him over here.
Oh, you're moving him around?
Yeah, Mommy.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Maggie, what's baby Sadie doing?
Here.
Her sleeping. Little peanut.
So happy. I'm so happy.
In her little favorite swing. Maggie, where are we going in just a little while?
To London to see Grandpa and Mama just like me see the Mamu.
Just like you see the other Mamu?
Yeah.
Yep. Going to Virginia. Is it going to snow in Virginia?
No, it's not going to go in the Virginia. Stay outside.
Oh, the snow stays outside?
Yeah.
Does the snow come in the house?
No, it's outside the fire because cousins that make me hot.
Oh. Does Papu build a fire
No.
to keep us warm?
Yeah.
He does. You can help Papu build his fire today when we get to Virginia.
No.
Oh, you don't want to?
Yeah, it's hot.
The fire is very hot. You're right.
We can make it a little bit cold.
You can make the fire cold?
Yeah.
You can't make fire cold, silly.
We can make it hot.
The fire is very hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe some supper to my effort. Keep this and then white in the fridge.
Okay. All right. Tell the camera bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, love you, Sassy.
Love you, Sassy.
Thank you for my elephant.
Thank you for my effort. I lost you.
Oh, we lost his spoon. Oh, drama.
I'm going to get the my